National Weather Service in Charleston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Greenup County in Kentucky, Western Athens County. This includes Nelsonville, Albany, Galley County. This includes Rio Grande, Gallipolis, Jackson County. This includes Wellston, Oak Hill, Jackson, Northern Lawrence County. This includes Lake Vesuvius, Ironton, Western Meigs County. This includes Rutland, Vinton County. This includes MacArthur, Lake Hope State Park. Until 1 p.m. At 11:52 a.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour. These storms were located along a line extending from 50 miles northwest of MacArthur to 30 miles northwest of Jackson to 38 miles northwest of Letitia, or along a line extending from 10 miles southwest of Grove City to 10 miles southwest of Chillicothe to 33 miles west of West Portsmouth, racing east near 50 MP. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Old Town Road, Greenbow Lake and Greenup. Brief downpours are likely too. A quick half to 3/4 inch of rain could fall. This will cause water to bond on roads, poor driving visibility, and quickly fill roadside ditches and small streams. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 6 p.m. Wednesday evening for portions of Kentucky and southeast Ohio. Please report hail or strong wind to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 800-401-9535 when you can do so safely. You may also report severe weather by posting a report to the Charleston, West Virginia National Weather Service Facebook page or by using the Twitter